So, baby girl and I did something special today. What did we do, baby girl?
Yeah, give me locks.
I gave you locks?
Yeah.
Do you want to show them your locks, baby girl?
Yeah.
Guys, I have never taken more pride in doing something. My daughter told me that she wanted hair like me, and I could not take this assignment lightly at all. Like, I felt so honored, and I felt like I had to deliver. This took me all day, but I did not mind because I just knew that this was going to be an investment into her confidence and the way she felt about herself. And this even further proved to me that, like, when you're a mother, you're really a role model. They really look up to you. Your kids really admire you and they really want to be like you. And it was just so touching to me that she wanted locks. Y'all, look at the level of excitement she felt. Just look. Do you like your hair, Mama?
Mhm.
You want to turn around and show them?
Mhm.
Go ahead. Ooh.
Oh,
Can you touch your hair?
sorry, Miss Beautiful.
Ooh. Ooh. Turn around again, Mama. Ooh. Look at that princess. Yeah. Ain't you strong? I love your hair. Can I touch it? Ooh. So cute. Can you put your head down so you can see? Ooh, Mama. Turn the other way. So pretty.
Ready.